How to add credit or debit card in Good Guys app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. If you're on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, you have to search for the Good Guys login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Well, it will land you on the official page of the Good Guys. Once you're in here, the very first thing you want to do is to log into your specific account. Simply enter your email address and the password and click on login. But if you don't have your account yet, then tap on register over here. This interface will appear on your screen. In this page, you simply have to fill up all of these informations and then click on this checkbox and tap on submit once you are done. Once you click on submit, your account will be created successfully. After that, once again you have to enter your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the top right corner and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to payment method. Then the option of add credit or debit card will be visible to you. Click on it. One interface will pop up on your screen. You have to fill in all the detailed information of your card, including your card number, name in the card, expiration date, CVV number, and many more. Once you are done, tap on save. Once you click on save, your payment card will be saved successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add the credit or debit card in Good Guys app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.